The stock market took a hit this week, resulting in a loss of €700 for me. However, my attention remains fixed on long-term compounders, undeterred by short-term fluctuations. What truly matters to me is whether my investments retain their competitive edge, driving revenue and profits upward. I stay updated on this by closely examining earnings reports. Let's now take a look at the upcoming week's earnings releases. Let's kick things off with the biggest company, Microsoft. Their earnings report is scheduled for Thursday, April 25th, after the market closes. Analysts are forecasting earnings per share of 2.82 and revenue of $60.8 billion. If we refer to StockPicker, we'll find that in Q1 2023, Microsoft's revenue was reported at $52 billion. This suggests a potential 15% increase compared to the previous year. Similarly, earnings per share exhibit a potential 14% year-over-year increase. Moving on to Google, they are also slated to report earnings on Thursday after hours. Analysts anticipate revenue to reach $78 billion, with an estimated earnings per share of 1.51. Their revenue in Q1 of 2023 totaled $74 billion, indicating that if they meet expectations, they will achieve a 13% increase in revenue. However, the EPS forecast suggests slower growth at less than 5%. Additionally, it's crucial to monitor their cloud revenue growth as Google ranks as the third largest player in the cloud market, following Amazon and Microsoft. Any acceleration or deceleration in the growth of their cloud business could potentially trigger volatility in their stock. Next up is Meta, reporting on Wednesday, April 24th after the market closes. Meta stock hit an all-time high following their shift away from the metaverse. In 2023, we witnessed rapid growth in revenue, EPS, and free cash flow. Analysts are forecasting an EPS of 4.32 and revenue of $36 billion. We observed that their revenue in Q1 2023 amounted to $32 billion, indicating a forecasted growth of 13%. Additionally, their earnings per share stood at 3.03, showcasing an impressive 42% year-over-year increase. Next in line is Visa, a company boasting a substantial moat. It shares a duopoly with MasterCard, collectively receiving a toll on a vast majority of credit card transactions worldwide. Initially, there were concerns that cryptocurrencies and fintech companies might disrupt their business. However, even these entities have begun issuing Visa and MasterCard cards to their clients. I don't perceive significant risks here, especially considering their financial statements, where all metrics show steady growth. The EPS forecast for Visa is 2.44, while the revenue forecast is $8.6 billion. Their revenue in Q1 of 2023 amounted to $8.12 billion, indicating a forecasted growth of 5%. Additionally, their EPS stood at $2, showcasing a 22% growth. Other major companies such as ExxonMobil, Tesla, PepsiCo, and Chevron are also scheduled to report earnings this week. Stay tuned for updates on their performance, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more engaging content. See you next time.